go to merchize.com. Enter custom shape rotating wood sign in the search box to find the product in our catalog. On the product page, click on the Download Template and Mockup button. Or you can click on the Template and Mockup tab to find the link to download the template file. Download the template you want to create designs for. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Now, we will use Photopea, a free online editing website, to create our design. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. Before we start designing, let's take a quick look at what the template is organized. Let's turn on Customizable Parts. This is how a complete design file will look like. This product is made of 4 layers. The first column is the top layer. This is the decorative layer that sits on the surface of the sign. The second column is the middle layer or the second layer, which supports the top layer and holds both the axis and the rotating layers in place. The third layer includes 2 parts, a fixed axis and a rotating part. The axis is a fixed circle in the center. This part only requires the cut design. The rotating layer moves around that axis and must have a center cutout so it fits properly. The axis will be attached to the bottom layer. And you can create print and cut design for the bottom layer in these 2 sections. You'll also notice green dashed lines, those mark the safe print areas. Make sure all important details stay inside those lines. This is how all layers are assembled. Start with the top layer. Open the Smart Object labeled Design, Top Layer. In the New tab, turn off the sample artwork. Add your print design for the top layer. When you're happy with it, remove any extra elements you don't need, then save and close the tab. You'll see that the template automatically updates the print area and the cut shape for the top layer. Look at the middle layer print section. There is now a preview showing where the top layer details will sit. Next, let's open the Smart Object for the middle layer. Turn off the example layer and replace it with your design for the middle layer. Leave intentional cutout areas if you want the rotating layer to show through. When you're done, save and close. Again, the template updates the cut and print files for the middle layer automatically. Open the Smart Object for Axis section. You can use the default circle included in the template or replace it with your own. Save and close once you're done. You only need the cut shape here. No print design is required because the axis won't be visible in the final product. Next, open the Smart Object for Rotating Layer. Turn off the example layer and add the cut shape design for the rotating layer in this section. The cut shape must include a handle. This handle must extend beyond the other layers for easy rotation. Make sure that the cut design includes a center circle cutout to fit the axis. When done, save and close tab. Back in the main template, you'll want to do some quick alignment checks. Click the drop-down of the customizable parts. Under Axis Layer Group, turn on the Safe Zone, Rotating Layer to check if the rotating part fits the axis. Under the Rotating Layer Group, turn on the Safe Zone, Middle Layer. You can see how the rotating part sits under the middle layer. Make sure the handle is visible above the middle layer. Turn on the Safe Zone, Rotating Layer. Now, the cut shape of the rotating layer will be visible in the Print Design section. Use this as a guide to add your print artwork for the rotation layer. Think about how your elements will move when the layer rotates and how they'll peek through the cutouts above. Let's move on to the bottom layer. Open Smart Open for the bottom layer. Turn off the example artwork and add your print design here. Save and close tab when it's done. The template will automatically generate the cut shape for you. You'll also see the outline of the axis appear on this layer. Leave it there. It helps make sure the axis is placed correctly during production. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include in your printed design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As. and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As, or Save as a copy and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. From the same template and mockup link, open the mockup folder and download the PSD file. In this folder, you will find a PSD file along with other mockup preview images. Download the PSD file to your devices. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files in Photoshop or Photopea. Double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer to open Smart Object. On the new Smart Object tab, turn off the example layer and turn on Guide to reveal the template. Now you can fill this template with the design you have previously created with the template file. Afterward, you should turn off the guide and other unnecessary layers. Then save Smart Object by holding Ctrl+S. Back to our files, you can see the design has been adapted to the mockup. There are different mockup options for this product. You can choose between these 4 options as well as change the background for your mockup. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.